Tired of scrubbing your grill with wire brushes that risk leaving dangerous bristles behind? The Cuisinart Grill Renew Steam Cleaner Brush offers a safer, smarter way to clean your grill grates deeply and effectively. Using steam power combined with a specially designed cleaning head, it tackles tough messes without the worry of steel bristles breaking off and contaminating your food. What makes this brush stand out? It features a soft silicone cleaning head wrapped in heat-resistant aramid fiber fabric. When you soak the head in water and use it on your preheated grill, the heat activates steam, loosening even the most stubborn grease and residue. The square shape lets you reach between grates easily, while the arched handle and center grip knob provide excellent leverage, making cleaning less of a chore and more of a quick, satisfying task. I was skeptical at first, but after trying it myself, the difference was clear. Unlike my old wire brush, which required heavy scrubbing and still left some burnt bits behind, the Grill Renew brush glided smoothly across the grill surface. It cleaned thoroughly with less elbow grease and no risk of stray wires. Plus, when you're done, the detachable cleaning head is dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as easy as the job itself. If you're looking for a reliable, safe alternative to traditional grill brushes, the Grill Renew Steam Cleaner brush is worth a look. It's designed not only to protect your grill but also to protect you and your family from the hazards of wire bristles. Replacement heads are available too, so your brush stays effective long-term without the need to buy a whole new tool. Ready to upgrade your grill cleaning routine? The Cuisinart Grill Renew Steam Cleaner brush gives you what you want: a deep, safe clean with minimal effort. Try it when you're ready to see how steam-powered cleaning can make your grill look and perform like new again.